Ever stumbled upon a trendy-looking online store that feels too good to be true? That's exactly what I thought when I came across raythebrand.com, a fashion site claiming to offer a curated collection of cozy, stylish pieces, from mock-neck sweatshirts and scoop-neck tanks to biker shorts and minimal hats. At first glance, the website looks clean, modern, and well-designed, giving off serious, premium casual wear vibes. They even highlight the founders, Emma and Betsy, with their Instagram handles shared publicly, a move that adds a bit of authenticity you don't see often with small fashion brands. Their Instagram presence of over 25K followers and an active LinkedIn profile make the brand seem real and somewhat established. The domain was registered in May 2024, so it's not brand new, which gives it a little more credibility. However, as I dug deeper, things got a bit questionable. Despite the aesthetic website and social media buzz, there are no customer reviews anywhere. Not on the official website, not on Trustpilot, and not even on Reddit. That's unusual for a brand claiming to have a strong following. The products themselves look stylish and well shot, but without verified feedback, it's impossible to know if what you see is what you get. No real photos, no testimonials, and no shipping or refund reviews raise a few red flags. Overall, Ray the brand sits in that gray area. It doesn't scream scam, but it doesn't fully earn your trust either. If you're tempted to order, it might be smarter to wait until more genuine reviews appear online, or stick to trusted platforms that offer buyer protection. Always research before you spend. Looks can be deceiving in the world of online fashion.